Respect that decision. It is the people's decision. Thirdly, I am of the opinion that I have been consistently saying that these so-called secular parties will not be able to stop BJP. And we have seen in the past, in Delhi, Mr. Kejriwal tried to play footsie with Hindutva. The same was done in Maharashtra by Mr. Uddhav Thackeray's party, and also to a certain extent this soft Hindutva was also played by the erstwhile NCP. We have seen the same behavior in West Bengal by Mamata Banerjee, TMC. What the net result is that in Delhi you don't have the Aam Aadmi Party in power, despite adopting a real Hindutva. They have lost elections over there. Mamata Banerjee did the same thing, and also you have seen that she has been in power for last 15 years. And if you go to Malda, Murshidabad, or even if you happen to read the government documents, which clearly show that the most marginalized community in Bengal are the Muslims. And if you see their socio-economic indicators, it clearly shows their marginalization. And if you go to Malda, Murshidabad, you see how in a pathetic conditions the Muslim, especially the Muslim women are living. They're living in abject poverty over there. So this whole creation of Mamata Banerjee as a very liberal, secular leader is not to be seen in West Bengal. And there was huge anti-incumbency against her. And I am of the opinion that I once again reiterate my point that the Muslims should try to create their own independent political leadership. Your vote is getting wasted because you are casting your vote in favor of these so-called secular parties, who are not all secular. And they have failed to stop BJP. And if you go back in time, in 1998, the first BJP MP which got elected ever in West Bengal was Mr. Tapan Sikdar. It was supported by TMC. And Mamata Banerjee got the first BJP MP from West Bengal in 1998, in 1999 as well. Then she was part of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee cabinet as a railway minister. She left them, then rejoined them. So, same is the case with Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, same is the case with Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal. So, it is high time that Muslims must get united and create their own political leadership. At least you will have a voice to raise your marginalization. You will have your political representative to talk about injustice. You will have your elected MLAs, MPs, corporators who can work for the development of that respective ward or assembly constituency of the parliament. Reposing faith for so many years in these secular, so-called secular parties have not given any development, have not ensured or eradicated injustice or discrimination is stopped. And there are many reasons for the TMC loss. And one of the reasons also is an SIR, but there was huge anti-incumbency, there was huge corruption, there was huge exploitation of the Muslim community. So there are various reasons. But anyway, people have given their verdict. We hope that the BJP government would work for every section of society and ensure that this marginalization which is happening to the Muslim community is stopped. People of Kerala have given the judgment. UDF, they have given them confidence, vote and power to UDF. And I am thankful to the Almighty Allah that IUML has got their 22 candidates have been elected as MLAs. and I'm sure that under the leadership of Mr. Tangal,